Care for Kids Children's Home in McKinney with the Scooby Boys and the Scooby Girl. And these are the recipients of what it is that we're donating, which is some of which is in the truck there, and some of which is in other people's cars. So this is some of the stuff that has been brought here, as you can see. And these are the kids. Say hi! How are you?
I love this place, man.
Me too.
It's peaceful. I don't know. I'm just so. I'm short of words, but I will just summarize my whole speech by saying thank you for coming through. I don't know how many lives you've touched, and we just pray, may the good Lord continue blessing you, because the Bible says, blessed is the hand that giveth, and may the Lord multiply the hands that have given. From the bottom of my heart, as you could hear the songs, they sang showing love. I just want to say thank you for this gesture you've showed us. It shows love. Thank you for showing love. Thank you for giving hope. Let me not bore you with so many words. Thank you. I open the floor. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone. Merry Christmas. Okay, so I just want to take a few minutes just to appreciate guys. Just appreciate the Scooby family, and also just to appreciate and mention to say this is a motorsport family. Not only Subaru, I think this is what motorsport entails. We've collaborated, and this is the essence of Christmas: sharing and taking part with our loved ones. And
yes.
Okay. So we have a few items that we want to donate. I think mainly as you can see, we've got a brand new 40-inch TV for you guys. In addition to the TV, we've also got a laptop computer. So that is for you guys. So I think from everyone, we just want to wish you a Merry Christmas, and we want to say, Scooby Boys, we are here for you, and we are partnering with you for the long term. Okay? So enjoy the festivities. We've got a drive arranged for you. We've got drinks, we've got snacks. Enjoy, guys. This is for you.
Yeah! Alright, so it's the end of the day. It is 15 past the hour 6. We just got done with our charity drive and donation with the Scooby Boys, Zambia, and BMW Motorsport, and DownShiftZM, and all other motorsport enthusiasts. Oh, Techno Drift as well was there. So what we've essentially done is really put a smile on the kids' faces today, to show them that, you know, they're cared for and they're loved as well, and we were able to at least show them a piece of how we feel about them by giving them something from our homes and our hearts to the kids, to make sure that they know and remember that they're unforgotten. So this is something that is done regularly. At least every year Scooby Boys does it a lot, and it's really important how they get all other petrol heads and motor enthusiasts to come together and actually do this as one whole team. It's not all about being this team group or this group and this group. We all really just come together for that one good cause, which is really essentially beautiful. So we are meeting as Team Downshift to discuss how we're gonna make 2020 very special for all of you subscribers, and want to see what other content we'll be able to bring to you in the next year and the coming years. Hopefully this is something that's gonna continue for a long time and be able to get a whole bunch of other motor enthusiasts as well to love what we do as DownShiftZM. So thank you again for watching, and please, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel regularly. If you're not subscribed, then do that. If you know people as well that would want most of this, do that too, because there's a lot of goodies that are coming in 2020, and you best be subscribed and commenting on our videos if you want to get anything from what we're doing. So once again, thanks for watching. Please keep supporting DownShiftZM. Remember to like, subscribe, and share on as many platforms as you can to spread the message both locally and internationally. And peace out. We love you.
Hello, hey, wagwan. Ninshile chitika pa wagwan. Washimuri kenge wagwan. Katuri pamo punkamo wagwan. Punkamo wagwan. Katuri pamo wagwan. Ninshile chitika pa wagwan.